over on a lodge in Formby this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer who's out in the sticks. This customer has been offered 25 megabytes per second off BT. We've showed up, installed a 12 by 12 galvanised bracket onto a nice wooden beam at the fascia, as there's not a bracket that would get over that overhang. 3-foot mast over the roof line, our own pole adapter, cable wired down behind this downspout here, under and through into his room on the other side of there. Nice tidy job. Customer's receiving over 300 megabytes per second. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.